Nancy here. I've got another day of ribbons. Today we're going to be looking at some cartoon ribbon. So how about we start it off with, let's see, how about trolls? How about troll ribbon? This is a 7/8 troll ribbon. And look at all the characters in there. The colors are fabulous. And I have some flatbacks. What is that? What is that? Oh, there's something on my table. Can't have anything on my table. Okay. Flatbacks that are troll flatbacks. Let me show them to you. Remember, this is 7/8. Let me make sure. Yep, 7/8. And here are the little troll flatbacks. They cute. They're cute. Now these are a high gloss. See that gloss on there? And they are in the shop. Just look under flatbacks and you'll find them. Okay? Alright. Let's see. I have more troll in this shop besides that one, but I just wanted to show you one of them. Okay, how about some LOL animals? These little critters are cute. This is a 1-inch pattern. Bring it up a little bit higher so you can see all the characters in there. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 before the pattern starts to repeat itself. Cute. And this in the background here, these are little gold hearts all along here. Little gold hearts they got on their glasses. She's got her glasses up on her head. Cute little bunny. Super cute. Okay. Oh, I know what that is. I know what that is. I did my nails this morning and I put on cuticle oil and I guess I didn't rub it in good enough. Sorry. Okay. Alright, here we go. Alright. Sophia the First. This is a 1-inch pattern. Isn't that adorable? She's on her horse, her flying horse. And the colors are so pretty. All the dots in the background. This is a 1-inch pattern. And let's see, do we have? No, we don't. We don't have any flatbacks for those. Let's try, let's do Toy Story. Toy Story's cute. This is another 1-inch pattern. Nice colors. If you have anybody that's a Toy Story fan, this ribbon is super cute. Again, it's 1-inch, and I do have a flatback to go with this. And this is another high gloss flatback. I'm going to bring it in a little bit closer. They're cute. And then I have some accent ribbon to go with it. And it says Infinity and Beyond. That's that cute. Infinity and Beyond. To go with this ribbon here. And those are both 1-inch. Okay. And I'll put a link down below for the store where you can, for my shop, where you can go find it. Okay, how about some Frozen? Frozen, let's see, we've got Olaf and Anna and her sister and Olaf's friend. This is a 1-inch ribbon. And I'm sorry, I can't remember. It's terrible that I can't remember all the characters' names. But I can't. You'd think I'd remember the main character's name, but I don't. You can tell me. You can leave me a comment down below of who these characters are. And I have, let's see, oh, I have another one. I have another frozen ribbon here. This is from their second movie. Their spring movie. That in focus. This is a 7/8. This one here is a 7/8. This one's a 1 inch. Okay. And I have flatbacks, not flatbacks, bottle caps to go with these. Now, I made these, and you can find them in the shop. Just look under bottle caps. And you pick a print, and you get 3 of that print. And they come individually wrapped. You can pick your color. You don't have to have white. I have different colors. And now I have all different scenes. So surprised when he sees that flower. Anyway, so yeah, you'll get 3 of those. Okay. All right. On to the next. Stock Mix Stuffins. Stock Mix Stuffins. And her friends. They're all in there. This is a 1 inch. Cute pattern. And I have a hair bow that I made using that pattern along with the purple dots, the purple ribbon. And again, I make this pattern. See, this is another different color of the caps, so the purple. I do not make bows and sell them. I only make bows for prop reasons. I'm not a bow maker, just a ribbon seller for people to make bows. How about some Fancy Nancy? Fancy Nancy ribbon. This is a 1 inch pattern, and it's just a continuous pattern. Isn't she cute? And I do have, I did a bow. Here's a bow I did with this material, and I used this ribbon, which is a 1 inch ribbon. This is 1 inch pattern, okay, to make the bow. And you can find the flat backs, the bottle caps in the shop. Okay, all right. Fancy Nancy. How about some minions? Minions. These guys are cute. It says, "You are number 1, Minion. You are number 1 in a Minion." Is what that says. We're number 1 in a Minion. This is a 1 inch pattern. I don't know, my camera seems to be having issues focusing. That's better. I don't know, might be the lighting. How about some Pocoyo? Pocoyo! My grandson just loves Pocoyo. cute. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 designs before the pattern starts to repeat itself. And that's a 1-inch pattern. Okay. How about some mermaids? Cute little mermaids. She cute. She's got her little, she's sitting on a rock and her tail's coming up and around. She's got her little pearl there with her pearl headband and her flowers. This is a 1-inch pattern. And I have a accent ribbon to go with it. Look really cute together. That. That is a 1-inch. Both of these patterns are 1-inch. And you can find them in the store. Alright. How about this Vampirina? Vampirina, oh heavens. Favorite ribbon in the shop when it comes to getting close to Halloween is this Vampirina. And the colors, trust me, the colors are just really right on point. And let's see, no, I don't have anything, I don't have any accents, any flatbacks or anything for this. But this is a 1-inch, and you can find that in the store. Let's see, strawberry shortcake. Strawberry shortcake. Now this is like a peach colored. It's not red like a strawberry, but I love this peach color. She's sitting on her, it looks like her pot there of strawberries. This is a 1-inch pattern, and I have an accent color that would go really nice with this that I got to go with this, and this is also like a peach. Isn't that cute? Go right with that. And I have a flat back to go with it. This is not a high gloss. This is just a regular shine to it. And you put that with that. Okay, you can find those under flatbacks. Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Alright, Peppa. This is a 7/8 pattern. Peppa and her friends. I do have other Peppa ribbon in the store. I'm just showing you this one. And I have a flat back to go with it. It's a cute, well, I can't get it. Pick it up. Pick it up. Okay, here we go. Here's Peppa. And she's got, her dress is all glittery. And when you order these, you get a set of 3. And they would go really cute with that ribbon. Okay, and remember this is a 7/8 ribbon. Alright, last one, gang, is Sunny Day. Her and her friends. And the colors are great. Great colors. This is a 1-inch ribbon. Bring it up closer. I have Flatback for this. Let's see, I've got all of her little friends. There she is. There's her other friend. Here's her other friend. You see that? I got that camera glare on there. Okay. Alright, that's it. 1 inch. And then the cute little Flatbacks that go with it. Now I want to show you some other things here. Here's this. Here's the troll ribbon that I did with that. And here's another bottle cap color. And Fancy Nancy. I don't know if I already showed you this one. But there. Oh, I did. Yes, I did. And I showed you that one. And here are some little LOL kids that I have in the shop. And they come like in multicolored glitter. So when you order, they come in a pack of 3. So you would get one of whatever comes up in the package is what you're going to get. So it's multicolored. And then here's another little LOL gal. And this is not a high gloss. This is just a regular Flatback. Okay. And then here are some more of the Flatbacks, or the bottle caps. I'm sorry. I keep getting them mixed up. The bottle caps. Put your hair in the air. And here's another one. She looks shocked. And come on, camera, focus. Do I need to come? There we go. Okay. There we go. That's it. Right, y'all. You've seen it all. You've seen all the cartoon ribbon. So I'm going to wish you all a wonderful day. This is Saturday for me. So happy Saturday to everybody else. I'm Nancy, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye-bye.